Hello guys. Welcome to MEP Techniques channels. Today in this video, we are going to learn about CBT welding questions with answers. Before we are going to start the video, please click on the bell icon to subscribe. And also join us on social networking channels to get more updates. Links are given in the description. Now, let's start the video. Number 1. Heating and cooling general for material soft? Answer: normalizing. Number 2. False indication occur in film is rejected? Answer: false. Number 3. Grove slope surface against weld applied for what? Answer: grove angle. Number 4. Work place the electrode negative in current polarity? Answer: straight. Number 5. Cross-country pipeline welding qualification? Answer: API 1104. Number 6. Storage tank welding qualification or acceptance criteria? Answer: ASME SEC 8th DEV1. Number 7. WPS PQR WPQ are abbreviations for what? Answer: WPS stands for Welding Procedure Specification, PQR stands for Procedure Qualification Record, WPQ stands for Welder Performance Qualification. Number 8. NDT stands for? Answer: non-destructive test. Number 9. 3G qualified? Answer: plate 1G and 3G or in pipe only 1G position. Number 10. How to reduce the moisture pickup on the electrode? Answer: proper consumable handling and storage. Number 11. Apparent form bevel and lamination how to find? Answer: penetration test PT. Number 12. Cross-country pipeline heat input should not exceed? Answer: 0.8 kJ per mm. Number 13. Pipeline acceptance standard? Answer: API 1104. Number 14. The pipe is vertical and weld is vertical. What is the welding position is? Answer: 2G position. Number 15. The welder welded 6-inch pipe and the minimum weld length, how much required for RT? Answer: full length. Number 16. What are the documents referred by welding inspector? Answer: WPS. Number 17. Visually unlike to find the defect, less to find in VT? Answer: lamination. Number 18. In plant piping mostly affected defects are? Answer: internal, surface and subsurface. Number 19. Most affected element in steel? Answer: C. Carbon. Number 20. Pipeline misalignment how much? Answer: 3 mm as per API 1104. I hope you understanding the video. Thanks for watching.